How to get 15% off Shein coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Shein coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Shein. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 35% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on redeem at Shein. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website of it, log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Shein. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Shein. So this way you can easily get up to 15% off working coupon code for Shein. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.